Discovering your DNA, a beginner's guide navigating promotopics DNA admixture calculators, u promotopic com calculator vad. Might seem complex, but fear not, we'll take you through the key tabs, making DNA modeling easy to grasp. Source target distance, how close are your genes? This tab shows how related your chosen source and target populations are. It's like a genetic proximity meter, revealing connections between different groups. Single admixture, unravel your ancestry mix in the single tab. See a breakdown of your ancestry, like English, Japanese, Moroccan, and Mayan. It's a simple way to understand your genetic roots. Multi-admixture, explore genetic diversity. Switch to multi, to delve deeper into the information provided in the single tab. It's like an in-depth look at your genetic mix, revealing the intricate details of how multiple source populations contribute to your DNA. Wide admixture, journey into genetic exchanges in the Way tab. Compare two different populations to get a glance at your admixture. For example, you might see that you are Irish and Pakistani at a genetic distance of. This provides insight into how these two populations have contributed to your unique genetic profile. Source tab, mix and match populations in each tab. Use the source section to input the populations you want to explore. It's like customizing your genetic adventure. Target tab, coordinate your genetic insights in the Target tab. Input your or someone else's coordinates. This helps tailor the analysis to a specific individual or location. Distance tab, measure genetic proximity. The Distance tab shows how far away the target is from the sources. It's like a genetic map, giving you a sense of spatial relationships between populations. Summing up, Single tab, your DNA breakdown, and Single, see your genetic breakdown. For example, English, Japanese, Moroccan, and Mayan. It's a detailed look at your unique genetic mix. Stay with us as we simplify each tab, guiding you on how to make sense of promotopics DNA admixture calculators, u promotopic com calculator vad.